This is the Japan fries. Japan fries. Let's try. I will try. Which is much better? This one? How much this one?
How much?
5.9.
Cheese. Yeah, preso cheese.
Which is better? This one?
Mayonnaise cheese.
Mayonnaise cheese.
Onion. Onion. Then it's spicy cheese. Spicy cheese, onion cheese. Then the original.
Maybe I try this mix can. Okay. Is it okay spicy and the original cheese? Okay. So I try the mix original cheese and the spicy cheese. So they have spicy cheese, onion cheese, rainbow cheese, original cheese, pizza cheese, nori wasabi cheese, olive cheese. Okay. This is only for 59 baht. So this is the Japan fries. So ang ginagawa nila, hinuhulma nila yung potato and then tsaka nila ipag-fry. Okay. And then later it will be the will be the finished product. Let's see. This is the finished product. So I will pay 100 bahts. The price of the fries is 59 baht. So I changed 41 baht. Okay. That is the finished product. So later she will do spicy and original cheese. Yeah. Yeah, spicy and original cheese. See? Let's try. So since we're here in Thailand, so let's try the food. But this is a Japan fries. Okay. Thank you. And so I tried this fries, Japan fries. It's chili, cheese, and original cheese. So, syempre, pinartneran ko siya ng walang kamatayang Pepsi. Hello, Kuya Lloyd. Shout out to you. Okay, let's eat.